Yeah, I know, sweetheart. I like that. Get a little rambunctious, don't you? My goodness, you're gonna end up cutting your tongue or the roof of your mouth. Well, that'll make it a lot easier. Oh. Yummy. That's going down smooth. You're kicking your sockies off, huh? That went quick. You must have been a little hungry, huh?
Yeah, he's a little bit hungry.
Alright, we'll give you your passy back. It'll be on there still, so. You're kicking your little sockies off. Alright. One down, 3 to go.
Poor baby.
Come down here to me.
Mommy's here. I know it's gonna hurt.
Yeah, this kind of cry you don't hardly ever hear unless they're being poked or hurting somewhere.
He don't know what's going on.
No, he just knows he's getting mad because he can't move his little legs. Oh, yeah, you're watching me, aren't you?